Hi guys and welcome to a random review. In this episode we're going full recycling, durability, green, party, everything, because we got these bamboo straws. As you can see, you got 6 straws, I think there's 6, yeah, 6 straws, and this handy little cleaning tool. And well, it's durable, it's sustainable, and actually in the European Union they forbade how do you call it, plastic straws in at least in restaurants, etc. I don't think you can buy them in supermarkets anymore. So I don't know if you ever tried those paper straws, but they're terrible. So we're gonna try these bamboo straws, and well, what do you know? Maybe I will love them, and maybe I will take them everywhere I go. So let's make it a test, because what do you know? I've got my favorite soda, Pepsi Max, and I've got water. So, well, of course you also have to taste water. So, I'm gonna try that, and I'll get back to you with the result. Okay, I'm back. I just tried it out, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not expect this, because it actually is a lot better than a paper straw. You almost, well, the bamboo is, well, the taste is really, yeah, there's no taste of the bamboo or anything, so it's actually a pretty good straw. But we have one problem. We're not gonna bend this, so that's the bad thing I found out. But it's not, because the length, it's not that bad. But there's one thing I think needs improvement. And that's because, I don't know if you can see this, I'm gonna try to focus on it, but it's hard. Well, it's a bit thick. It doesn't drink really as comfortable as a normal straw. But well, it works. And then of course we have this cleaning tool, the last part of the review. Because well, it's recyclable, reusable, durable. But of course you're gonna need to clean it, because otherwise you will get a lot of bacteria in your mouth. So how does it work? You're gonna get yourself some cleaning stuffs, and you're gonna insert it, and you can remove it, or it is a bit stiff to be honest, but it works. So the cleaning part is also pretty good. It's probably gonna work better with when you use some cleaning liquid. But overall, I have to admit, it's a pretty good invention. And it's also really cheap. I got these 6 actually from a lottery, but they are like €3 for 6, and you can use them as much as you want. So if you buy 6, well, you have enough for all of your guests. So in the end, I'm gonna rank this, let's say 4 out of 5, because well, it's better than we ever could have thought this would be. So stop using paper straws, buy bamboo straws. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.